Normally vegetables are grown from seeds. But there are some vegetables that you can be regrown again and again, from kitchen scraps. Such vegetables are basil, cilantro or coriander, carrot greens, celery, ginger, green onion, lemon balm, lettuce, radish, spinach and turnip. The method of regrowing them is the same for all these vegetables. Just put the stems or roots in water or soil and keep in partial sunlight. Cut the bottom root portion, put in soil and keep in partial sunlight. You can put 5-6 inch long mint stems also in the soil. After a few weeks, you will see the new growth in coriander and mint.